Today I'm on Denning Close, showcasing this 4-bedroom detached property situated in a cul-de-sac location. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
When I come back, I want to be the reckless one you fell in love with. This is not my skin I'm wearing. These are not my eyes. These are not my words you're hearing. Oh, you know so bad. If I show you who I really am, will you understand? If I show you who I really am, will you see me for me? Will you be there for me? Will you want me for me? Tell me, will you understand? Will you still be there?
If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this fantastic property, or indeed a valuation on your own home, then please do get in touch.